Hi, Candy. How are you?
Hi, Tara. I'm doing well. How are you?
I am doing well.
Thank you so much for joining me once again. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Childhood obesity rates have tripled in the last 30 years, and one-third of adults are obese. What is different today from 30 years ago that makes keeping the weight down so hard?
Well, we used to walk more, and then we didn't sit in front of the screens for hours on end like we do now. And also we used to eat more healthily and had more reasonable portion sizes. So I'm here on behalf of several companies that I'll talk about today. We're going to give some simple lifestyle tips and some ways to make better choices.
What can two-income families on the go do to eat healthier and curb calories?
Yeah, it's a real struggle, but there are two solutions that I'll present, and one of them is if you're going to eat out, look for eateries that list the calories and nutritional data. Now, this is part of a trend from a little-known provision in the Affordable Health Care Act that will really change what you eat when you eat out. Now, an example of this would be Panera Bread Bakery Cafes, because they were one of the first national restaurant chains to list the calories on their menu boards. Now, right now there's something really fun that they're doing. They have a hidden menu of power foods, lean proteins, complex carbs, and veggies. The menu and nutritional information is found online, and one of my favorite items from that list is the chicken hummus bowl with veggies. It's only 330 calories. Now, second solution is try to have a sit-down meal at least 4 times a week, because the research says this can actually reduce the weight because you're having to think about what you're going to eat. Now, of course, you want to cut the meal time, prep time down. So here's a practical solution. Sea Cuisine, their fire-roasted line of seafood. It's a 20-minute oven-baked option for those that love seafood and are inspired by seafood while traveling and eating in restaurants. They have salmon, tilapia, and cod. Now, this is a high-protein, low in saturated fat option. You prepare the sides while it's baking, and for those observing Lent, it's the perfect time to try it.
And is there anything else that you can add to your diet to help you stay on track?
Yeah, there's a new supplement out there that you can check out. It's called 5-HTP. It is drug-free. It's plant-derived from an amino acid. And it's a natural way to increase your serotonin levels, which affects your mood, your thoughts, your sleep. It helps to also decrease your hunger. Now, I'm a really big fan of those plant-sourced products. So an example of that would be Natural's 5-HTP in multiple formats. They have their fast dissolve formula for people on the go like me, and a time release option that works steadily and slowly throughout the day in their family of brands. And they have health solutions for the entire family.
Wow, I had no idea, because I know that that's typically used for stress, isn't it?
Well, it can, if you need a little boost in your serotonin, then sometimes that can also help with your stress. Of course, all of these concerns you can talk with your physician about, but if you'd like more information and links to everything that I've talked about today, you can go to my website at terrawellington.com.
Well, thank you so much, Tara. Appreciate it. Have a great afternoon.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.